on everybody, I hope everybody good. So today we are going to do some pasta salad. Now of course summer is approaching and everybody like to do a little side dish for most meals, right? So we're going to show you how to do a simple, tasty, delicious pasta salad. Now guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, continue watching. We do appreciate all of you. Alright, so let's get right into it. Now we're gonna need some elbow pasta. If you like any other pasta, guys, come on, you can always play around with any other one, whether you want to be panini pasta or any other one, spiral pasta, anyone, right? We need a pasta, right? I also went shopping today and I saw this mayonnaise. Now mark you guys, I've never tried store-bought mayonnaise in all my vegan life. So I saw this and I want to give it a try. Alright, yes, you're gonna need corn. We're going to need some carrots. We're gonna use some celery, scallion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. We're also going to need some onions. Now the type of onion is just depend on what you feel like using. I don't even know which one I'm going to use yet, but I know we're going to need some onions. Alright, so let me get started. I'll show you and talk you through all of the other rest of ingredients that I'm going to be using. Alright, now make sure your pot is boiling up. I added salt already. Now how I normally cook my macaroni is that I wait until it's, you know, soft enough for me, but you can also follow the instruction of your package, right? So we just have to put it in the hot water and let it stay there and cook. Now always when you put your macaroni in the pot, always just give it a little stir just to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Also, if you so desire, you can go ahead and add like a tablespoon of oil just to prevent them from sticking. Alright, but we not do that. Alright, so now I decide to use the purple onions. I think it add a little bit more flavor to our pasta. Whichever one didn't get cut, you can always just repeat the process in chopping those. Now to make pasta is very important. The base of it, you have to build it up from before you add anything else, right? Adding our mayonnaise, some salt, our black pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper. Now this is optional. I think it give a little kick in the pasta, right? We're also going to need some mustard. As well as some vinegar. Use white vinegar. Really don't matter which type of vinegar. I'm also going to be using a little bit of garlic powder. Give that a quick little mixing. Now we're going to go in with our celery, scallion, all of the onions right here. All of our onions. We're going to give it a quick little mix because what we want the mayonnaise to be flavorful, right? So at this point, while the macaroni is cooking, it's a good idea for you to incorporate everything in the mayonnaise and allow it to you know, release all the lovely flavors. All of your peppers, as usual, all of the ingredients will be listed in the description box. Let me not use the whisk. See all the lovely colors. And remember guys, I have a sweet potato salad on my channel and also the Irish potato. So if is it that you don't want to have the pasta, any of those is suitable, and I show you guys as well how to make the mayonnaise. Alright, for this now you can just leave it, cover it and leave it and wait on your pasta to cook. Now what we want to do now too, guys, I really suggest that you can taste it to see if it wants anything, or you know, salt, pepper, anything. You just taste it and see. Right, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yes, it needs a little more black pepper for me and a little bit more cayenne pepper. Alright, so we can wait until the macaroni is cooked and then we can finish up. Now for the pasta, I want you to cook your pasta properly. There's no such thing as when you're creating macaroni pasta to have your pasta half cooked. There's no such thing, okay? So we want to cook the pasta thoroughly. How you know when your pasta is ready? When you squeeze it like that and it spring back, right? You know, say good. Hear that? Very good pasta we have here. So we just need to drain off the water now. Now you want to get your pasta in a colander and make sure that it drain off and thing, and we're cooling it down now, right? You cannot, I repeat, you cannot add pasta or mayonnaise to hot pasta. It's going to turn oil. Alright, so you want to just time to time you come and you just turn them around so that it cool down quickly. You cannot add mayonnaise of any sort to hot pasta. It's going to turn it in oil. Turn the mayonnaise, the heat from the pasta is going to turn the mayonnaise in oil. Alright, so we just want to cool this down completely, maybe like 30 minutes or maybe an hour, I'm not sure, but just make sure it is cooled down enough to continue the procedure. Alright, now you will notice when your pasta is cooling, they will tend to stick to each other. That's because the additional starchy water that was on the pasta is going to let them stick together. Don't worry about that. When we put in everything, they're going to just come apart and look really nice when we're through. Alright, so bear that in mind. Now all of our seasonings here just blend in and taste so nice. So we're going to add now the pasta. Stir it up as you go and combine everything. We're not finished here because we didn't add our corn, right? So we're going to go in now with the corn, and of course I had washed these off just to remove that taste. You know, tin corn always have, I don't like that taste, so I just wash them off. And we're going to also go in with our carrots. Now what I want you guys to do is to allow this to sit like about an hour to just absorb all the flavors together, and then you can serve it. If is it that when you're serving it and it look like all the mayonnaise has absorbed in the macaroni, you can just fresh it up with like 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, okay? What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna taste it to see if it's okay for me, guys. I have to tell you, it tastes just like when my auntie Diane used to make pasta salad. Oh my gosh, you just have to give this a try, guys. Ensure that this is a part of your summer side dish. Now, and to finish off, we're going to use some dry parsley, just an additional flavor. You can just combine that. And if you want to use more carrots, you can go ahead. What I did was to just pass I use a small carrot and pass it through the food processor. That is why they look like that, right? There you have it, a nice bowl of pasta salad. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.